Engine start.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today mag-open ako ng tools na multimeter o digital clamp meter full pro. So 3 years warranty. So Tool Pro description, 400 amps DC and AC, and a safety class, 600 volt. Okay, open. So volt, hertz, yung continuity test or ohms. So okay, yan. So naka-ohms ang setting. So kita nyo, so actually ganyan siya, no? Ayan. So ito naman hertz percent. So ito feeding AC, feeding DC. Yung current flow is 40 amperes, 400 amperes DC or AC. So non-conductive voltage. So dito yun sa loob. Okay, kinaklamp nyan, ginaganyan. So kahit tanggalin nyo to. So test natin. Yan, tumutunog kasi mayroong power supply, no? So thank you very much and subscribe for more videos.